I bought and tested two of Dreo's most popular misting fans. I'm going to tell you everything I like about them, what I don't like about them. You can't go wrong with either one of these. They come in different colors. If you don't like these colors, no worries. There'll be different colors. They are very similar, but there are some very big differences between the two that will make them a fit for you. They do not have ribbons on them. Don't worry. That's just to kind of show you at what speed kind of what the ribbon does. So let's get into it. This is going to be the Dreo 712 AS. This one right over here is going to be the 712S. Let's start with this one right over here since it's here. This is going to be the 711S. So this is a misting fan right over here. You have three different ways to control these. Both of these are smart fans. You could use Google, you could use Alexa, and they also have an app. I'll show you how to connect the app and exactly what the app looks like. That's one of my favorite parts of both of these fans. I'll show you and I'll tell you kind of how we use them so you can kind of have some use case. So this one right over here is an indoor-outdoor fan. It is weatherproof. So if you want to leave it outside in the sun or something like that, no problem. You could do that with that one right here. This one has 12 different speeds and 4 different modes. We'll walk through that in the app because it's easier to do that. We have 2 misting nozzles right over here. This also comes with a hose attachment. Now, for this one right over here, if you wanted to use the mist setting, I'll tell you how to do that in a second. I want to run through the features real quick. So up top right over here, you can see over here, this is going to be our control panel. So if you want to control it from the top, you do have that option here. This is kind of what it looks like on. You could do the rotation over here. It rotates up to 150 degrees, which is awesome. And it does have a very, very cool feature I'll show you in a second. If you want to change the menu, you could do that right over there. This also has a timer as well. And then it has that mist functionality as well. One of the cooler parts about this fan, and I haven't really seen it on other fans, is with the remote and also the app, you can put this fan wherever you want. So you can move it wherever you want. You could stop it wherever you want. You don't have to have it oscillating constantly. A lot of other fans I've tested, when they oscillate, you could stop them in a certain spot that you want, but this one you could get it exactly where you want. We also have the light up there that is the ambience. You could turn that on and off via the app, and with this button here, that's a nice part about these. I'll compare both of them head to head so you'll get an idea in a second. After I do this one, you could turn this light off or on. If you want it off, no worries. As soon as you adjust the fan, it will let you know where you're at. So if you're at 2 right over here, so that's what it's looking like at 2 right over here. As we go up, that's at 5, 6, 7, 8. The camera will start shaking at 12, so that's at 10, 11, and 12. So that's kind of, you can see that ribbon really moving right here, and it's super quiet. If you hear a noise, it's because I am wearing a microphone, so you could hear me better over this fan. This could reach up to 35 feet. Both of them can do that. So we're just going to take that down to 1. Now, I'll go over so for both of these, let's just cover the modes. You have 4 modes for each of them. They have automatic, mist mode for each one. They have different mists. The oscillation mode, and then you also have automatic mode and the breeze. So breeze mode, the regular mode, super simple, just a regular fan. Breeze mode emulates a breeze. So it'll get really hard, slow down a little bit, slow down, and then stop a tiny second and then go back up. Like imagine like the best breeze you've ever had with the window open. You could emulate it with this fan rather. I don't know why I keep saying phone. Anyway, when it comes to hooking up the mist now, the mist is for outdoors only. Do not use the mist in your house. It does mist out very far. So to hook up the mist, you will use this attachment right over here. Now we use this on our patio. So we hook this part up right over here to our hose. Then we put this in the top of the fan here, and then it starts misting. There is no water tank, so you don't have to worry about refilling it or anything like that. You could just straight mist. So that is going to be your 711AS. Let's jump over to the 12S, the 712 right over over here. This one a little different over here. So let me put this down and then I'll run through the app with you. Again, like I said, one of my favorite parts of this. So we have the off on going on right over here. Down over here, you'll see we have the control panel right over there. So you have the mist mode, we have oscillation, that's how you set up the Wi-Fi, and we also have a menu button right over there. So with this, also comes with 2 ice packs. So what the ice packs do is you also have a water tank on this one right over here. This is on wheels, so you can move this around as well. So the water tank back here, there's a button right over here. You got to push this up just like that, and you pop this out, and this is where the water goes. You could put up to 6 liters of water in there, and once it's locked in, I didn't lock that in, you want to make sure it's nice and tight and secure. Once it's locked in, you're good to go. If it is not locked in, when you go to select the mist feature, it is not going to work. It's going to say there is no water. So you don't have to worry about that at all. So about this one also has 12 speeds. They both have timers. You can do 12 hours. This one right over here has the same amount of modes too. The big difference between these, before I get into the app, is going to be this one has a water tank. So this does have mist mode. So once this is in mist mode, you'll start to see some mist come out of here. It's kind of like, and this also is a humidifier as well. So you do the mist mode and humidifier. This is not a humidifier. Now, for this one right over here, let's just get into the app. So, with these ice packs right over here, you can actually put them in the water tank. So, and it'll get even cooler. So you'd put these in the freezer. Once they're hard, then you put them in the tank right over here, and you're good to go. And it's awesome. It lasts up to 7 hours on high mode. It can last up to 30 hours on the lowest setting in the mist mode. In terms of the app, so you can connect both of these with the app right over here. You just download the Dreo app, super simple. On the oscillation functions up here, just hold down for 3 to 5 seconds, and then it will automatically pop up in here. So you'll see right over here, we have a bunch of Dreo fans. So you have a bunch of them, no big deal. You'll see here, we got the misting fan. Oh, not that one. The tower fan right over here. And then the misting fan will be turned on in a second. Really easy to connect to Wi-Fi. And you'll see here, one of the favorite things is the schedule. So you could set a schedule for this. So you say, hey, every night at 8 p.m., I want the humidifier on for this. Or during the day, I want the humidifier on. And then 8 p.m. at night, I want you to turn the fan on speed 8, and I want it oscillating. And it will turn on automatically. You don't have to worry about that. You could also turn this on and off. Like when we say, okay, we're going to go to bed at 10. At 9 o'clock, can you turn this on so the room is cool? So that's a really nice feature of this one as for both of these using the app. And you could set everything custom as well that you want. So you don't have to worry about anything like that. Now, in terms of, let's get into some of the pros, cons, and differences. All right, so how we kind of use this, we use this one outside. So this one is outdoors. This one can go outdoors, but it is not weather resistant. So it can't stay outdoors. Like you could take this on a patio, but like you can't leave it out there. Probably not great to leave it in the sun. We haven't taken it out, but I could see kind of rolling it out if we really had to. This one is going to be fine. If you're looking for a humidifier as well, this is going to be the one for you, the 712, because it does have the water tank here that could do the humidifier. The mist isn't as crazy on this one. So if you're looking for a nice mist, kind of vision the grocery store produce where it's like, shh, that's what this one does right over here. So you get those kind of some of the differences. In terms of height, this one's like 44 inches. So this one's a little taller. And this is just under 43. This one's exactly 42. The back of this one right over here is going to be about 8. This one is only 5. So if you're kind of short on if you have the space for something like this, definitely go for it. One thing I do like about this having the humidifier as well is you don't need two separate devices. Typically, if you have a fan, then you need a humidifier. Guess what? Takes up a lot more space. This is kind of that 2-in-1 version. So kind of this one also is on wheels. This one is not on wheels. And this one rotates 150 degrees. This one only does 90. And this one has the ability to put it in whatever spot you want using this remote right over here and just having it stop like that. Both of them shut off after about 30 seconds to a minute. So you don't have to worry about any light or anything like that. They are both 12 speeds and have the same modes, except for this one does not have the humidifier mode. So and you have to use this does not have a water tank. So I guess the breakdown here, the 711 AS is going to be perfect for you if you're looking for a fan to go outside that has misting abilities. It has a really long cord as well, and you don't have to worry about a water tank or anything like that. And you want something outside, don't have to worry about bringing it in or anything like that. This is going to be the one for you. If you're looking for something for inside that doesn't have as crazy of a mist, that don't worry, it won't ruin any furniture or anything like that, and you kind of want the humidifier as well, this is going to be the one for you. This obviously oscillates a little bit more, but if you're inside, both of these reach about 35 feet. So if you're 35 feet away, you will feel this. Both of these are super quiet. Like I said, we are a Dreo fan. Can't go wrong with either one of these. Again, if you're looking for one solely for outside, the 711 AS will be for you. If you're looking for kind of the mix in between, the 712S will be the Dreo fan for you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and I hope you find the right fan for you and you stay cool.